हेलो। अच्छा जया सुनना, मेरा ना इंटरव्यू फिक्स हुआ है बट वो कंपनी स्टार्टअप है। मैं इंटरव्यू देने जाऊँ क्या? मुझे डर लग रहा है यार, स्टार्टअप कंपनी है। यूर रॉन्ग, रिमूव दिस फियर राइट अवे कि मैं स्टार्टअप में इंटरव्यू दूं या नहीं दूं। हाय गाइस, दिस इज राज। आई एम बैक अगेन ऑन दिस चैनल सुमित एंड राज with an amazing video and a valuable life learning lesson for you why join startups. So now please watch this video till the end so that you get to know what are the benefits for joining startup. So in case let's say अगर आपके कॉलेज में प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए there are companies coming in, so whether you should sit in placements for startup companies or not, or let's say if you are an experienced person, so let's say if you get a call from a startup company, so whether you should appear for an interview or not. It's both the way around. If you're a fresher or if you're an experienced, this video would definitely be helpful to you to answer the questions running in your mind whether to join a startup or not. Stay tuned, listen this video till the end, watch this video so that your answers are, you get your answers. So basically, I would be explaining you what are the different benefits for joining the startup. Now, when it comes to guys, the first thing that startup offers, first of all, it's a very fast paced. Now, when I say this fast paced over here, day in and day out, you would be the one handling all the responsibilities from the scratch. Many of you would not like to be thrown in a pond wherein you have to do everything from the scratch. You would not be liking it, but trust me guys, what is the harm if you get to learn to enhance your skills? ये question ही mind में नहीं आना चाहिए. If they are paying you whatever you deserve, why not startup? Yes, there is one fear in your mind whether this startup will work in future also or not, whether this company would grow or not, whether it could be only limited to startup or not. Remove this fear. If you have your skills, if you trust your skills, if you have that confidence, go ahead with that. Make your career in startup. Who says that startups में आप अपना career नहीं बना सकते? Absolutely wrong. You can make your career in startups. You can learn more and more in startups. Every day the roles and responsibilities that you will handle will make you someday to grow as a leader. You would learn lot of skills like time management, different management level skills. You would be involved. If you're a senior, you would be involved in taking the interviews and all. Let's say if you are a fresher or something, you have done you have completed 1 year with the startup, you would also get an opportunity to train interns under you and all. Who says that startup don't give you an exposure? Startups do definitely give you an exposure. There are multiple benefits. We'll look at it one by one. So guys, as I told you, the benefits of joining the startup, the first one over here is multi and fast paced. Over here you would be given lots and lots of work, lots of roles and responsibilities that you would be handling. Definitely this skills would help you in your career, whether it's technical or non-technical skills, managerial skills or something like that. Second thing, over here you would be thrown into a situation wherein you need to find a way out and you need to come out in a more gracious way. Yes. The third, you tend to create a roadmap for yourself in future. Let's say if you have stayed with this startup company for 2 years, for 3 years, and now the company is growing, definitely you would be the one. If you have stayed in this company for long, if you have given your heart and soul into it, they will try to definitely give you promotions, good increments and all. Now comes the fourth one. Let's say for example, the startups are like stock market. Rise, fall, rise, fall. Let's say, why do we see the fall side and why not the rise side? Like, if it rises, if it receives the funding from the great investors around, you can also be offered ESOP, that is employee stock options plans and all, which can definitely make you wealthy, wealth wise as well. So why not? So guys, I told you about the benefits of joining the startups. Let's say next time if you receive a call and the first call that I done at start of the video, I was not confident, but let's say if I get another call for the same startup, my answer should be yes, I'm ready for this startup, to work in this startup. That's how it should be. Never fear startup or something like that. Be happy, face this, join the startups and all. Definitely learning, yes, you will get it. Okay, so stay tuned for more videos. I would come up again with some other content. Stay tuned, share this with your friends, like this video, subscribe this channel. Also let me know in the comment section which more videos you want, so that I can help you guys in your career planning and all. Thank you.